Arranging numbers within the number 999. Learning objectives. Arranging numbers in ascending and descending order within the number 999. Arranging numbers in ascending and descending order on the number line. Making the largest possible number and the smallest possible number from 3 different numbers. Hello, my friends. Look at these flags with me. We want to arrange them in ascending order and put them here. Do you remember the ascending order? It is like going up the stairs. We start from the smallest numbers, then the largest until we reach the largest number. That is why it is called ascending order. So we will arrange these flags from the smallest number, then the largest, until we reach the largest number. Well, are you ready to arrange these flags? Let's begin. Look with me. These numbers are made up of 2 place values, ones and tens. How do we find the smallest number between these numbers? The first step is to look at the numbers in the tens place. We compare the numbers in it and determine the smallest number. Beautiful. Here is the number 2. But here is the number 1. And here is 4. And here is 3. Which is the smallest number? The number 1. Excellent. So the number 19 is the smallest. So we will put this flag here. Now we have 2, 4, and 3 in the tens place. Which number is the smaller one? Number 2. Well done. So the number 21 is the smallest. So we will put this flag here after the number 19. Great. We have 2 flags left. Here in the tens place, there is the number 4. And here is 3. Which one is the smallest? The number 3. Excellent. So the number 30 is the smallest. So we will put it here. Well, and the last number is 41. We will put this flag here. You're great. Here we have these balls, and each ball bears a number. We want to arrange these balls in descending order and put them on these boxes. Do you remember the descending order? It's like going down in the stairs. We start with the largest number, then the smallest, and then the smallest, until we reach the smallest number. This is why it is called a descending order. Therefore, we will search for the ball with the largest number, then the smallest number, then the smallest, until we reach the smallest number that exists. Are you ready? Let's start. Now, look at these numbers with me. They are made up of 2 places, ones and tens. So how do we find the largest number in them? Excellent. First, we will look at the tens place and compare the numbers in it. Well done. Here is the number 3, here is 1, here is 6, and here is 8. Which of them is the largest number? It is the number 8. Excellent. So 85 is the largest number. So we will put this ball here. Now we have 3 balls. Let us look at the tens place to determine the largest number in them. Here there is 3, here is 1, and here is 6. Which one is the largest? Excellent, it is the number 6. So 63 is the largest. So we will put this ball here. Nice. Now we have 2 balls. Let us determine which of them has a largest number. There is a number 3 in the tens place here, and here is the number 1. The number 3 is the largest, so the number 31 is the largest. Well done! So we will put the ball here. Then we put the last ball here because the number 12 is the smallest. You are great! Now, look at these numbers on the cards. It is made up of 3 place values. How do we arrange them in ascending order? The first step is to determine the ones place, tens, and hundreds. The second step is to compare the numbers in the hundreds place. Here we have the number 6. Here is 8. Here is 2. And here is 9. We want to arrange them in ascending order. That means from the smallest number to the largest. Which of these numbers is the smallest? The number 2. Excellent. So number 221 is the smallest. So we will put this card here. Well, now we have here the number 6. Here is 8. And here is 9. Which one is the smallest? 6. Good job. So the number 633 is the smallest. So we will put this card here. Nice. We have 2 numbers left. Here in the hundreds place there is 8, and here is 9. Which one is the smallest? 8. Well done. So, the number 854 is the smallest. We will put the card here, and this card is the last one. We will put here because it has the largest number, which is 937. Excellent! What do you think we arrange a set of numbers consisting of 3 places in descending order? Let's begin. Here are numbers consisting of 3 place values. We want to arrange them in descending order. That means from the largest to the smallest. Beautiful. How do we determine the largest number? The first step is to determine the ones place, the tens place, and hundreds place. The second step is to compare the numbers in the hundreds place. Here we have the number 6, here 4, here 7, here 6. Which of these numbers is the largest? 7. Excellent. So the number 732 is the largest. So we will put this card here. Well, we still have here number 6, here 4, and here 6. Which one is the largest? 6. Well done. But the number 6 is repeated twice. What do we do? When the numbers in the hundreds place is equal, we compare the numbers in the tens place. Let us see. Here is the number 2, and here is the number 3. Which one is the largest? Number 3. Good job. So the number 634 is the largest. So we will put this card here. Good, we have two numbers left. Here in the hundreds place there is a number 6, and here is 4. Which one is the largest? 6. Excellent. So the number 625 is the largest. So we will put this card here. And this last card we will put here because it has the smallest number, which is 423. Great job! Wow! Look with me at these balloons. They are beautiful. There is a number made up of 3 place values on each balloon. We want to arrange them in ascending order. That means from small to large. Beautiful. How do we determine the smallest number? The first step, we must determine the place values, ones, tens, and hundreds. The second step, we compare the numbers in the hundreds place. Look with me here. We have the number 2. Here 3. Here 2. And here 2. Which of these numbers is the smallest? The number 2. Excellent. But we have 3 equal numbers in the hundreds place. What do we do? Well done. We will compare the tens place and the 3 numbers. Let's start. Here is the number 5. Here is 5 as well. And here is 5. The tens place is also equal. So what do we do? Excellent. We will compare the ones place. Here is the number 4. Here is 1. And here is 3. Which of them is the smallest? 1. Good job. So the number 251 is the smallest. So we will put this balloon here. We have 3 balloons left. Well, we will compare the hundreds place values first. Here is 2, here 3, and here 2. Which of them is the smallest? Excellent, the number 2. But here we have 2 numbers equal in the hundreds place. What do we do? Excellent. We will look at the tens place. There is 5 here, and here there is 5 too. They are equal in the tens place. So what do we do? Excellent. We will look at the ones place. There is the number 4 here, and here is the number 3. Which one is the smallest? Well done, the number 3. So the number 253 is the smallest. So we will put this balloon here. Now we only have 2 balloons. Come on, let us compare the hundreds place to determine the smallest. Here is the number 2, and here is the number 3. Which is the smallest? The number 2. Excellent. So the number 254 is the smallest. So we will put this balloon here. And put the last balloon here because it has the largest number, which is 325. Now, my friends, let us solve some problems.